started with Pearl Beck. First to show quickness at the start, moving upon the young side on Alejandro. Next on that is Euphoria. Winshore Lady comes next. Princess Tokaya. Angie Gray. Down on the inside comes Superdog. Grand Game in the nick of time. Decent Proposal, while Siklug is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. We have Pearl Beck maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Euphoria. Don Alejandro is down in third. Angie Gray comes next. Winshore Lady, then followed over by Princess Tokai, moving upon the young side in the nick of time. Grand Game comes next. Superdog, Decent Proposal, while Siklug is still racing in 11th. Another far turn with Pearl Beck, this time by about 6 lengths. Don Alejandro in second, and on the outside comes Euphoria. Angie Gray comes next. Winshore Lady in the nick of time. Princess Tokai, Grand Game moving upon the outside. Decent Proposal, Superdog, while Siklug is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana went entering the home stretch with Pearl Beck maintaining a 8 lengths lead. Don Alejandro in second. Down in third we have Angie Gray with about 100 meters of the race. From start to finish, it's going to be Pearl Beck. And finally, it's Pearl Beck. Second is Don Alejandro. Euphoria.
Malayo nga po ang pagkakapanalo nitong si Pearl Beck para sa ating race number 3. Ulitin ko lang yung datingan natin. Unofficial placings is 4, 7, 11, 8, 3, and 10. Quarters of 18 and a half, 24, 25, 27 and a half. 1 minute 35 seconds flat ang total time ni Pearl Beck.